Hey everybody, welcome back. So, yeah, 1907 Renault Highway Pioneers by Revell. This is going to be the subject of the next little group build, buddy build that I do. This is a little 132nd. I've never built a Highway Pioneers. I've got a bunch of them. But my friend Mark Batson, HobbyDude 007, he reached out to me, last year, and said he'd like to maybe do a buddy build with, and he mentioned this one, which is totally cool with me. And I saw his video of it today, and I needed to do mine. Also, this coordinates very well with the small scale group build put on by Sean over at the Scale Model Car channel and BG's Model Workshop. They do the small scale group build every year. I believe it's for the month of February. So this will be going on the bench in just a day or so. I've got my 39. I'm just tightening up a few loose ends and it'll be done. I'll have that video out soon. But this is a Highway Pioneer 1907 Renault, and this is a 1960 edition. If you had a 54, it's not made out of styrene. You probably can just throw it away because it is not. It's made from that acetate material. It's a different plastic that warps terribly. But luckily, this is a 1960, and it's never been into, as far as I can tell. Cool about this is the boxes had these little where they could hang them, I suppose, on a pin or a rack. Had these things where they would pull open. So these old small boxes. I have a caveat, if that's the right word. I'm not building this one because this is a classic. This one's 1960 original box. Beautiful box art. Love it, love it, love it. I have another one of these, or two, or maybe three. But this is the Minicraft Highway Pioneers. Same exact kit. This has four. The Renault, the 1910 Cadillac, 1910 Ford Model T, and the 1907 Sears. Look at that. I gotta build that. It looks like a horse and buggy without the horse. But anyway. This has four kits, and this has the Renault in it, and I'm going to build this one. So let's make sure it's in here. Had this set for quite a while. Here's some of the window glass. It's just, you have to cut the windows out. I saw Mark's video, and he mentioned that. So let me see if I can find the Renault. Easy to find. There it is right there. Yep, that's it. So this has four kits in it, and I guess you just get a single piece of glass for them all. So let's look at this real fast. I've never opened it. I don't have any clue other than Mark's video what this thing even looks like. And this is going to be a newer one. I'm just assuming, let's see if it even had a date on this box. This does have a barcode. I would say somewhere in the early 80s to late 70s. It doesn't say on here. And it may say, you do get one set of instructions, and it's for all four of them, I hope. There it is right there. It's on the back page. I was looking for a date. But I think, I hadn't looked up on scale mates, but probably somewhere around the early 80s, maybe late 70s. There's something here. Oh, look at here, 1985. We'll mail you our 60-page full color catalog to the 1985 Minicraft new products. Okay, so 1985-ish. All right. You hear that sound? If you had one of the old Highway Pioneers from 1954 or so, and I forget the date that they changed that. I think it was not too long after that, but it doesn't sound like that. As a matter of fact, I have an example that's coming up on a haul very soon, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here, I'll go ahead and pop that off because it's coming off anyway. There's the body. It's a limousine, and which is cool. And I saw Mark's video today, and I did not know it, but on this car, and it's a French car, that doesn't mean anything, they just did things different. The radiator is there. I didn't even know that until today. But it has the radiator behind the hood. Yeah, look at that. And there's your driver. And then you, if you're the rich guy, you get to sit back there, drink a glass of something, while your driver drives you wherever you please, in the cold or in the rain. I don't know why they did that, but it was an act of humility, or humiliation, I would say, for the driver. But let's see how this thing looks. So, small little guy. This is going to be cool, man. I dig this stuff. This is my absolute favorite genre. I can't get that on there because, well, yeah, I can. That sprues behind it. Oh man, this is really doing a great job focusing with all this stuff. Just got that, and it looks like here is the, I'm looking at the picture. Okay, that's the driver's seat, and the window goes here. It's got the little lanterns. There's the interior seat. Yep, the seat for the rear for the comfy folks. These don't have engines or anything. There's your rear differential. I don't know what that is. And here's the roof for it. It's gonna be so fun. I mean, look, it literally has probably 30 pieces altogether, if that. There's little tires and wheels, all one piece. Tape it off and paint your tire, and then your spokes. Looks like the spokes, at least on this picture, and I really like that paint scheme, by the way. The spokes are the same color as the lower portion of the car, it appears. Then you've got the brass headlights, lanterns, horns, and the handles and all this because of it being a brass era car, I guess. I mean, I guess there were brass era over there. And also didn't show you, there's the hood. I would like to compare to see how worn out these molds possibly would have been, but I'm not going to open the other one out of its bag right now. I don't mind opening old kits, but when I have one that I can open rather than, and there's no rubber tires or anything that would damage anything. There's the back side. Let's see. Yeah. So there's the back side of the radiator right here. This would be what the driver, basically the dashboard. Then the radiator would turn and mount to the front there. And you can see the vents, the fins in the radiator there. And here are the wheel hubs. And this looks like it's the front. Maybe the front. Spring, I don't know. It is a leaf spring. I'm not sure. That's about it. Oh, I got one more tree. No, here's the front springs. Oh, that's the rear spring. No, it's not the rear spring, because it must be one of those deals where it connects. You have the springs here, but then also a spring in the back. Let's see. Yep, that's what it is. I see it on the instructions right here. So you have this one that goes across the other two springs. Very springy ride. And here's where you cut your window glass, 1.25 inches. So you have to cut them out for those windows as well. And the little driver, where's he at? There he is. Didn't even realize it. There he is. I don't know if I'll use the driver or not. He's happy though. Look at him. Well, come on. He's like rain or shine, guys. I'm happy. Rain, shine, snow, sleet, hail. He's a happy guy. Got the little driver hat on. There's his legs and his arms. He's dismembered at the moment. And steering wheel, there it is. Handbrake. And there's a little bit of flash on the horn. and the headlights have a little flash, but that's really thin and easy to remove. And I guess you would also have to cut out for the headlights. Let's see. It doesn't say. I don't think it would have headlight lenses. What I have done in the past, and it works really good, is just take clear resin, and after I paint, I'll maybe paint them all up, and then take clear resin, like what you mix, like clear resin parts, like if you were casting resin. I've got some clear, and I'll just pour that full of resin. It makes a nice lens if you don't have it. And they even threw you in some extra plastic here. So if you needed some extra plastic, they gave you a lot of extra there. Anyway, yeah, there's the front axle and the front springs. But that's it. It's going to be cool. 1907 Renault, or what did I call it before? Renault. I always called it a Renault because I'm an American, and that's how I would pronounce it. Or Renault. Renault. Alt. You ought not do that, Matthew. Or Ren. That's the bearded guy Jeff Lawless's grandbaby, but it's spelled different. But Renault. Renault. No, Matthew, it's Renault. And look at them. They're going to the drive. Oh, he's waiting on them. Okay, I see. It's a scene. They're over there. They're like, hey, you, stay in the car. Don't say anything. Me and the wife, and we're going to go over here and get us something fancy to eat. And that's what they're doing there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Highway Pioneers. Easy. Oh, sorry. It says fun to assemble plastic kit. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Quick video. Just wanted to introduce that to you. And again, I'm doing the Highway Pioneer. I am fascinated with this Sears. Number one, I didn't know Sears made cars. I don't know if it's the same Sears. And I'm also fascinated that it looks just like a buggy without a horse. I got to look at that one. That's going to be cool. But anyway, maybe I'll go ahead and build that one too. That would be cool. Anyway, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. As always, don't forget to go check out HobbyNutModels.com. All the paint that's going to go on this will go. All the paint that goes on this Renault will be from Hobby Nut Models. It will be, more than likely, MCW enamel. It could be Tamiya, depends on what color I find. But more than likely, MCW enamel, and all the glue, all the supplies that I use, that's where they came from. Go over there, check out Mark's website, HobbyNutModels.com. Always in the description of my videos, as well as my I can't even think. I'm thinking like, what is my website, MCV Products? I have a new carburetor. I haven't got it listed yet, but I'll show you this real fast, if it will focus. It's a 1050 Dominator, and it's got the idle screw. It's a double pumper. It's got all the little gadgets all over it, but that one will be listed very soon on the website. Might do that tonight, might do it tomorrow. Whenever you see this, hopefully it'll be on there if you're interested. 1050 Dominators. I've got 850 Dominators, 750 double pumpers with a choke, 650 Holly 650 Street. I don't know. Got several. Go over there and check that out. mcvproducts.net. I appreciate everything that you guys have done in support of that. Ellie has a job, and I stay super busy printing parts. But anyway, that's the name of the game. Thanks, guys, for all your support there. Thanks to my Patreon members. Guys, don't forget about the Facebook group Build Off Contest-ish. Go to Model Car Videos Facebook group. Go to the very top to the pinned or the featured. At the top, there will be a post up there. It's where if you want to enter the classic monogram group build. It's those classic monogram cars, the real fancy cars. We're doing that and having that build off. It ends April the 15th. Be a prize awarded for first, second, third place. I'll gather a panel of judges, and we will check out all of your completed pictures. Please take good pictures, great photos, and good lighting. It helps so much. And I'll send 3 prize packs of MCV Products stuff to you. So anyways, have fun there if you hadn't already entered. And those of you that have, I really appreciate it. Billy Bear, my friend, is kind of taking the reins of that business there on the Facebook group. And he's interacting with everyone there. Post your what you're going to build, and maybe some update pictures or videos if you have a YouTube channel, and also your completed pictures on the Facebook group in that post, and we will have a winner and a second and a third. They're all winners. You're all winners. Your trophy is your model kit, as someone told me recently, and that is very true. All right, guys, I'm done talking. You take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye.